everyone. Today we are going to draw and color an elephant using the alphabet M. First, I'll draw two lines, one on the top and one at the bottom for support. Then I'm going to draw two standing lines, one on either side of the page, and a set of small lines. Here I'm going to add a curve like this to give it the shape of an M, and another curve to make the trunk of the elephant. Now I'm going to add few lines over here for the folds of the skin and add some curves on the vertex that are visible at the bottom and on the top as well, and add the ears of the elephant. Make sure that both the ears are of same size. Next, add the front part of the trunk over here this way, a line over here, another one to make it look a little cute, the eyes, now I'm going to outline this elephant using a black gel pen. You can also use a marker if you want. This will highlight our sketch, and when we will color it, it will look really very nice. So I start with the eyes, then I go ahead to the trunk part, then these standing lines over here, on the left side as well, the ears, the shape of the M from the top over here like this, and the lines on the trunk. As you can see, even after outlining, the pencil lines are still visible over here. So using an eraser, I'll erase all the pencil lines that are here. Let's start with the coloring part of this picture. I'm going to use pencil colors for this step. You can also use crayons or markers, whatever you may like. I'm using a gray color pencil to color the elephant. I'll start with the ears and then gradually progress over the other parts of the elephant. Make sure that when you are coloring, you are keeping the pressure uniform so that the tone of the elephant in which we are coloring remains the same. Secondly, make sure that you are adding strokes in one direction. For example, here I am adding all the strokes of color in vertical direction, so that even if there are few lines that are visible, few strokes of color that are visible, it doesn't look bad. It looks neat and tidy. Once you are done with the gray color of the elephant, take black color pencil and color the eyes of the elephant. And that's it. We are done with our picture.